Hey, want to create your own AI custom avatar? Let me walk you through it step by step. First, set up your device on a stable surface. Keep the camera at eye level and record a video that's 30 seconds to 5 minutes long. Second, choose a well-lit space with a clean background and no background noise. Third, speak naturally and clearly. Pause for 1 to 2 seconds between sentences, making sure your lips are closed before starting the next one. Fourth, frame the shot from the chest up. Keep your eyes on the camera, make sure your mouth is always visible, keep your hands below chest level, and don't include other people or pets in the frame. Finally, don't cover your mouth with your hands. Avoid shaky footage, and don't record in dark or backlit environments. It's that simple. Follow these steps and you'll have your very own AI custom avatar in no time.